Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the latest Instagram update and giving the app full media/storage permissions so it can access photos and videos. Once done, prepare a test photo and a short MP4 video encoded with H.264. Instagram rejects unsupported codecs. Make sure airplane mode is off and you have a steady connection, because partial uploads can make the app default to photo-only behavior. Doing these first steps rules out the most common causes and lets you test quickly. Next, clear the app cache on Android or offload the app on iOS, then restart your phone. This resets corrupted temporary files that can limit upload types. If the issue continues, reinstall Instagram to restore a clean install. When posting, verify you're using the correct create flow. Sometimes you're in the photo composer only, not Reels or Story Composer. Make sure the file selector shows both photos and videos. If not, reinstalling usually restores full UI options. Finally, confirm media specs. Convert any odd format video to MP4 with H.264 and AAC audio, trim overlong clips, and try uploading again. If uploads still allow photos only, test via Instagram.com or another device to determine if it's account level. As a last step, collect screenshots and device details and contact Instagram support or report a bug in app. Troubleshooting tip: enable developer options and capture a system log before contacting support to speed diagnosis if they ask for technical details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.